Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxing, spoilers, and giveaways. Today we are unboxing the Fab Fit Fun Winter Box mystery bundle that I got. So I signed up to get a mystery bundle every season for I think it was like $14.99. Was it 14 or 17, somewhere in there. But there's always over $75 value. Cannot wait to see what is in here. One of the big differences is when you sign up to get it annually for $14.99, I think you only get 3 items, and where if you sign up for, if you just do it mystery bundle all the time, I think you do get 4 or more items in that one, but it does cost a little more to do that as well. And I already did an unboxing of my FabFitFun winter box. There is a giveaway in that one as well. There's going to be a giveaway in today's video too. This month it's all about doing a bunch of giveaways, and I mean bunch. Yeah, we've got a big 1,800 subscriber one coming up. We've got the FabFitFun, the FabFitFun mystery bundle. We have a BoxyCharm, 2 Ipsies, an eyeshadow palette, and then I think there will also be, hopefully it comes this month, if not it'll be next month, is the new beauty test tube, doing an unboxing from that and giveaway from that one as well. I try and do giveaways from each of my unboxings, and a lot of them happen to hit in December. I want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. For all of my return subscribers, you know that's spoiling you guys. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of December, it is the Trend Beauty Glam Babe palette. Now this one is mine, but I have a brand new one for you. It does look like this. Like I said, this one is mine. It's used. I do not give away used items here, so I've got a brand new one for you. Look in the description box down below, and where it says current giveaways, talks about how to enter this one, talks about how to enter that FabFitFun one as well. Speaking of FabFitFun, it is a seasonal subscription box. It's $59.99 a season. It's absolutely amazing. Lifestyle, skincare, beauty, makeup, hair care, fitness items, kitchen items, all sorts of good for you type things. If you're interested in checking them out, I do have a link in the description box down below. It helps save you a little bit of money, and it helps me out on any of their future add-ons, and their add-ons are really, really good. Really discounted prices. I also have some starter boxes to give away, and how the starter boxes for FabFitFun work is right now they only ship to the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom. If you've never signed up for FabFitFun, if you've never signed up to receive a starter box before, and you would like one, all you have to do is pay for shipping. You can give me your name and your email address. I send that off to FabFitFun. FabFitFun sends you an email saying, hey, Christina recommended you to get a starter box, and you'll get, like, think over $75 value in multiple different products, and all you have to do is pay for shipping. You can cancel that membership. So basically sign up for the membership. You can cancel it within 21 days. You'll still get that starter box, but I've absolutely loved my FabFitFun. Love it! As far as what is on my eyes today, it is from Ciate London. It's their Spice palette. Kind of looks like this, and I did this quad kind of right in there for today's look. So let's dive in here and see what I got in my mystery bundle. Mystery bundles, you don't know what it is. I'm so excited. We're giving away one of the items to one of you. So somewhere in today's video, it's going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know. Guys, the first thing in here. I'm so excited. I've always wanted one of these. I'm going to go misty-eyed now. It is an unhide wee knot fur blanket. I wish that you guys could feel how soft this is. Like baby bunny soft. Oh, so this is a small one in charcoal. It is Let's see if it talks about how big this guy is. It's a 34 by 44. It's 2.2 pounds. Retails for $75. And the blanket you can find that you will take you everywhere. It's the same dimensions as the marshmallow, but half the weight. Oh, like they have a marshmallow blanket. But, oh. Well, it's so soft, you guys. I wish you guys could feel it. You know how they talk about wishing there's smell-o-vision? I wish there was like feel-o-vision. From Daily Concepts, the guys who give you great sponges and everything bath kind of related. These are a set of scrunchies. They do retail for $16. And shower the world with love. Get your beauty routines done faster with the daily scrunchies to hold your hair back when you need it. I always pull my hair back when I'm doing either in a scrunchie if it's long enough, or a lot of times right now just in a headband because it's not. I'm thinking about getting my hair cut in a couple days too. The daily scrunchies are soft hair ties that absorb moisture. The scrunchies also faithfully prevents hair pulling out and hair creases that typically stem from traditional hair ties. So use the daily scrunchies to secure and tie your hair back, to pull back your hair and loop the scrunchie on it and tie it as tight as you need. Pro tip, use during your beauty routine without any other actives. So it's organic cotton, no lines left in hair. It's organic, vegan, cruelty-free, never tested on animals. Love, love, love it. The last thing in here is from London Town. It is a nail file. It does retail for $24. And the double-sided file is permanently etched with just the right balance of grit to effortlessly glide and shape tough nails and gently contour fragile ones without causing damage. Secret word is cozy. I'm gonna get cozy this time of year. So if you guys couldn't guess, the blanket was my favorite thing in here. Love, love, love it. Let's give away that nail file. Quick and easy, really quick to put, easy keep in your purse or whatever you got going on. It's very, very thin. Be perfect for you. And the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify yes you are subscribed to the channel, and also put on it that secret word. Now only fill out the form once, but you can get, there's 4 ways to get bonus entries into the giveaway. So you only fill out the form once, you mark on it if you did do those bonus entries, and only mark if you did do them if you did, because I do check. So 4 ways to get bonus entries is number 1, go follow me on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you follow me on Twitter, it's at BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. Your third way is if you follow me on TikTok, it's that same Christina Marie, BeautyAmaB, same name as this channel. And your fourth way is if you share the video with family, friends, social, anything like that. It really helps out the channel when you guys do it. I'm really trying hard to get those watch time minutes up. So this is a way for me to give back to you, just to say thank you so much for supporting the channel. I truly, truly appreciate it. It makes me happy when I can, brings me joy when I can make somebody else happy. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. It is open internationally. I am not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure the giveaways are legal in your country. So let's have this go through January 6th, midnight Mountain Standard Time. Then on January 11th, what I'll do is I'll take, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing, and what they're supposed to be doing on the bonus entries, I'll take first names, first initial of your last names, put it in the computer. The computer's on the 11th. We will do announce all the giveaway winners for all the ones that are ending at that time. So all my December giveaways will end. We'll have the announcement on January 11th. So put the names in the computer. Computer spins it around. The computer picks it. I know, so don't ask to win. And then as soon as the giveaways are over, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't share your information. I don't sell your information. I don't create distribution lists. I don't do anything like that. Like I said, as soon as it's over, I do go ahead and delete and I mail out the prizes to delete all those forms for you guys. So if you like this video, give it a big like. It helps out the channel when you do. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I greatly appreciate you checking it out. If you need to go on right now, that's okay. Hopefully we will see you soon. I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye. Woo!